Hey, what's going on guys? Brendan here at DetailKing.com, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Mytee 10-inch collapsible floor wand. The Mytee 10-inch collapsible floor wand is the new standard for high-performance carpet cleaning. This collapsible floor wand can be folded for easy storage and transport. The 10-inch head of the collapsible floor wand gives you a wide cleaning path with a powerful water jet to provide unparalleled cleaning and drying times. This sturdy and lightweight tool works as hard as you do. It's great for extracting carpets in large SUVs, vans, trucks, even homes, RVs, and office buildings. So without any further ado, let's see how this Mytee 10-inch collapsible floor wand can tackle our studio carpet. Alright guys, that about wraps it up for this video. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. For any more information on the Mytee 10-inch collapsible floor wand or any of our other auto detailing products, visit us right here at DetailKing.com, where we have everything you need to keep your car clean like a Detail King. We'll see you guys next time.